Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix anti-malware services executable high disk usage in Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search bar type a task schedule. After that, first of all extend it and select a Microsoft and expand it. Select a Windows and expand it. After doing this, find out a Windows Defender. Now here is a Windows Defender. Now after doing this step, open our Windows Defender schedule scan, open it. After that, first of all uncheck the um, run with highest privileges. After doing this step, go to your conditions and uncheck the start the task only if the computer is on AC performance powered. Click on OK button, and after doing this step, close it. And after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a Windows security. Open Windows security, click on a virus and threat protection, click on a manage settings, scroll down and click on a add or remove exclusions. Click yes to continue and click on a add an exclusion. Click on file, go to your C drive, click on a program files. After doing this set, find out a Windows Defender, open it. After doing this test, go down and find out a file name is now select a file is msmp.eng. Click OK. Click on add exclusion. Click on file. Select msmp.eng. Copy the name. Click on add exclusion. Click on file tab. Paste the name. Click on add. After doing this set, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type of Windows security, open the Windows security, click on a virus and threat protection, click on a manage settings and turn off the real-time protection. After that, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.